Hey, my fellow Amazon seller, Kathleen Kobel from Masters of Marketplace here, and today I'm going to talk about how to get your very first client as an Amazon store manager. So whether you're still learning how to sell on Amazon or you're already a pro at selling on Amazon, a really great way to monetize those skills is to offer them as a service to other business owners. This is what I do at my agency at Kobel Consulting, and we do very well with it. There are so many business owners who need this service. They need your help. They need someone who understands Amazon and who's willing to help them by offering it as a service to their business. The need for Amazon store managers is just growing as more and more businesses are getting on Amazon. They know they need to launch their products on Amazon. 50% of online shoppers now go directly to Amazon to buy. Those stats are incredible. So business owners really understand now that if they're not selling on Amazon, they're missing out on a huge chunk of e-commerce sales. So if you've thought about becoming an Amazon store manager, or maybe you already are, here's my best advice to getting your first client. Now, if you're skilled in Amazon and you know the ins and outs, it's going to be a lot easier for you to approach businesses and say, I have my own store, I've been selling for X number of years, would you like to partner with me so I can sell your products? If you are still learning and you're still a newbie, it's okay. You can still approach other business owners and offer this as a service. Okay, so my favorite way when I was starting out with my first few clients, what I did was I wanted to make it a win-win. I wanted to make it a total no-brainer for them to say yes. And so that's exactly what I did. For my very first Amazon store client, I offered him an offer that he couldn't refuse because there was no downside, right? So what I did was he wasn't selling on Amazon and I did the research. I knew his products would probably do really well on Amazon, at least from what I could see, right? So there's no guarantee, but we can do the research and figure it out. Now, what I did was I approached him and I said, hey, you're not selling on Amazon. What if I get your products on Amazon? I will manage the store. I will get sales for you through the Amazon channel, and all you have to do is pay me a percentage of the sales. Now, the business owner was like, yes, of course, because there's really not a lot of risk to them. There's a little bit of monetary investment with them. You get to use their inventory, right? And then they need to set up an Amazon store, which is $40 a month. But other than that, if you're not saying pay me a few $1,000s a month or pay me hourly or however you phrase it, there's really no risk to them because if their products don't sell, then they don't have to pay you. But there's huge incentive to you to work your butt off to make sure that those products do sell and to figure out how to get them to sell on Amazon, right? Because the more you sell, the more money you make, the more money your client makes, the happier everyone is. So go find a small business owner that you know, or maybe even go to a retail shop, one of those small retail shops, mom and pop, whatever, in your town, your city. Do some research online. Find somewhere that's not selling on Amazon yet, a brand that you think would do well, or even just a brand of products that you like and you'd love to partner with. Go approach them and say that. Say, your products need to be on Amazon. You're missing this huge market full of online shoppers who just want to buy and they can't even find you because you're not on Amazon yet. If you pitch that and then you say, I'll set you up for free if you let me have a commission, right? If we do a revenue share and then negotiate a fair rate with them, right? So usually that's between 3 to 15%, depending on profit margins and your experience and how much of a time investment you think it's going to be. But go approach a small business owner, ask them if you can get their products on Amazon for free, split the commission, and then just rock it. Make sure that their sales grow, do everything that you can to grow their business, grow their Amazon store. They're going to be forever grateful to you, and then they're going to go tell their friends what a great job you did. So that's my best advice to getting your first client as an Amazon store manager. If you'd like to hear more tips and tricks, you'd like to get more training from me, come find me over at mastersofmarketplace.com. I've got tons of free videos, free trainings, all about how to become an Amazon store manager and be super successful at selling on Amazon. So thank you for watching. I'll see you over there.